Hello everybody. This is me, Northwest Tech Geek. I hope welcome to the channel. Even though this web stream or today's video is done through live stream, I am. The reason for that is because I think I'm going to do every episode like this. That way, I'm not faffing about, with all the afterwards bit. But yeah. So this is the new look for Northwest Tech Geek. I hope you enjoy. Right, so what have I been doing? Oh, by the way, if you want to, you can chat to me live. So I will see any comments on the chat there. And each week I'm going to do at least one demo, okay? And today it's just about the software that I'm using to live stream for you. So one thing I have signed up for is a thing called Stream Elements. Oh, by the way, I will put a link of everything that I've used in the description as well. Excuse me. So, is Live Elements. Now, what they have done is, as you can see in this, this chat window, just here, this is just a cam window here. And then to my right here, you can see that's where the chat appears. Yeah. And then also you've got various bits at the bottom of the screen as well. And they provide all that. Stream Elements are fantastic. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to do what we call change to a different scene now. And the reason being is because I want to show you exactly what I have done when it comes to, the, how to set this up. If you just bear with me. So basically, I'm just going to give you a view of what I see. Basically, 1 second. Just bear with me 1 second. Just stop new notifications coming through. So one of the things I can do is put it to a be right back scene. So basically, that just says I'll be back in a minute. So if you just bear with me 1 second. And I am now back. As you can see, that was my Be Right Back screen. As you can see, what it had at the top was that window there. No, that one there. It's back to front where I am. So it's that one there, that window there. And it was just above me. And it just said, that was a chat window, just extended a bit, which is great. And then they had the Be Right Back, below. So if I then quickly pop it to a different view, you'll be able to see in the next screen, you will see exactly what I'm viewing. Okay, here it goes. Oh no, not yet. Right, there we go. Right, so here we have what we have. So this is all what we have on screen, what I see on my screen. So this bit here is my activity feed. So if I've got any new alerts. So it could be a new member subscribing to the YouTube channel. It could be, it could be any tips that I've got, any GIFs or anything like that. Obviously, then this is where I can select my scene. So I just tick that one there, and then it will then change this area here to whatever scene I want it. But it won't change what the viewers see. Okay. You have got that as well. So you can switch to whatever scenes you want. Now, this is really good with OBS, is that you can either cut it, or you can fade it, fade to black. There's lots of different effects that you can use there. So let's add a quick transition. So I still want to fade, yeah. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it to fade to black, or there's a fade to white, I believe. Just bear with me 1 second. So let me just get rid of that, remove. So transitions, quick fade, quick transitions. No, there isn't. Transition. Oh, there we go. You can transition that way as well. But let me just get back the demo. There we go. Right. Okay. I'm just learning as much. It's a new program for me, and it's something that haven't really worked with before. Um, so let me just have a look. Okay. Okay, so it looks like you can only do them three on there. Oh, and you've got this little cool stick, so you can go. Yeah, yeah. So there. Anyway, it's a new nifty tool that I was like. Anyway, so right. So what? Yes, it's a really good tool. As I said, on this side then is I've got my live stream. What it's about, and oh no, you can't see it at the moment because my things. If I bring it as a pop out, you might be able to see it. Yeah, so here is the live stream. It's saying that it's in excellent condition, and there's one person viewed it. Okay, let me just now the other bit. If I just exit that, it comes up with that. Yeah, don't show again. Another thing that that I can see on my system is the YouTube chat. Okay, now if I bring this out as a widget so you can see. Okay, so basically it's saying so I can enter anything I want in here. Okay, I can edit stuff in as well. There's lots of things I can do. So obviously, I'll make sure that there's timestamps, on there as well. So there's all sorts you can do with this. Participants, obviously, I'm the only participant on this stream at the moment, but I'm sure as I progress, I will get more and more participants as well. Okay, so that's a really cool nifty tool. All I need to do to get that into, there we go. It goes just in there, and if I wanted to get a doc back, then all I needed to do is click that. Okay, it will then bring it up as a floating doc, and then I just put it in as there. Okay, let me just have a look. Is there any other docs that I might want? So stats, for example, it gives me stats of my feed as well, which is what is really handy, I think. Yeah, but anyway, so let's have a look at some more docs. It's things I'm learning this, with yourselves as well. So now I've just got chat here. Now that's better, I think, because the YouTube live, this chat here doesn't actually have a bit where you can actually chat. That's weird, isn't it? Anyway. So the thing is, as I said, I'm learning about this program as I'm going along with yourselves, really. So let's integrate it with that one. Okay. So I can just say, and it'll appear on the channel as well. So this is a live message to you all. There we go, and it will appear there on the channel as well. Okay, right. So trying to think, what else do I need? Yeah, so there's other controls here now, and what the Start Virtual Camera does is, say for example, I wanted to create a brand new scene. Okay, so let's create a brand new scene. Okay, and this is going to be called test screen. So, so there's lots of different things you can do. So test screen. Okay, obviously it turns this bit area black. And then what I'd like to do is, with a video capture device, I still want to add the device that we're using, yeah? So I make that available, so there I appear. Okay, you can resize it and everything. There is a really good way that I can that I've done with regards to, I've done it before, but it was a different program. It was Stream Elements, which are also connected to, you can use Stream Elements with, what's it called? Not Stream Elements, OBS, Streamcast, or whatever. Anyway, I'll try and find it out and I'll post a link in the description anyway. Right, so yes, so for example, you can do this, and then let's say we wanted to, I don't know, put a funky video on. Now I know how I have got a good video that I could use. So put media source, create, and then it's a local file. Let me just see what I can find in regards to pictures or videos. Okay. For some reason, it has been a bit iffy. So I'm just going to put on some music for you, and I'm just going to put the be right back thing on whilst I look for that as well, because I've got personal files and documents on my other accounts. So if you just bear with me 1 second, okay? Let's see, magical no. Let's stream on this one. Right, okay, pictures. No, let's this piece here. Right, okay. Just to let you know that my that music is still playing in the background, so let me just stop that for 1 second. Right, okay, there we go. That's a relief. Right, okay, now, right, so basically, well, one point to note, as you notice then, because it's a YouTube channel, if you use music from anybody else, it needs to be referenced, or you need to be able to have the license to use it. Now, the thing is, that music that you just heard there, that was the music for, used in the YouTube music library that I'm allowed to use. I don't have to reference it, I just use it in my stream, which is fantastic. Okay, right, now I couldn't find so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the talk, scene at the moment. So all you do is go scene talk, Because the thing is, I can be getting on with stuff whilst I'm still chatting to you as well. So let's have a look. So let's move that to an extra 0 as well. Fade. There we go. It's a little bit better there, isn't it? Right, okay, so things I can get on with doing a few bits and bobs, whilst I'm waiting for that, because at the end of the day, that demo I wanted to show you about creating a new scene, I needed to do something first. So if you have any questions, then let me know. Just pop it in the chat. There's a Q&A that's available as well. Now, what I'm doing is I'm going to be somehow getting a video as a video background, but I just need to look for it first. And I don't want you to see that. It looks messy and stuff. So, 1 second. Yeah, so anyway, let me just tell you a bit about what I've been doing this week. Now, remember me talking about ICMAs and TMAs and things like that? Yeah, well, today, after this recording of this video, this live stream, I'm completing my TMA2 for MU123. So remember, MU123 is my maths module. TMA02 is my second tutor marks assessment. I have also done the first 2 ICMAs of MU123. I've also done the first ICMA, so that's Interactive Computer Marked Assessment, of the TM111, which is Introduction to Technology. Yeah, so that's what where I'm at so far, if that makes sense. Yeah. So let me just add this a second. Right, yeah, so that's where I'm at the moment. So it should be good. 1 second. So it is going quite well. It is going quite well, actually. I'm really starting to enjoy it because I know I don't enjoy the maths module so much, but I am really starting to enjoy the technology one. There's a lot more practical in that as well, which I really can't. It is something I learn by. I learn with practical examples rather than theory. It's just the way it is. Okay, so this is perfect. Let me just, I'm trying to somehow get this video down as well. Video, and then click the download icon that appears. Okay. Right, okay. It doesn't like it. No. Okay, so basically I've just got to try and download another. 1 second. Yeah, anyway, yeah, so I have been doing that. By the way, I can't actually see the chat window. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to release the doc from there just in case. So that can be popped in there as well. Where is it? I can't see it now. It's gone. Oops. It's there. Okay. Right. Okay. So let me just do this quickly. So we've got the get. Let's add that one. And basically, I'm just quickly trying to find a way of downloading some videos. Basically, not going to say how, but yeah, I'm going to see how I can do that. So, nope. Remove. Things are, no point in keeping them if they're not working, are they? Extensions, by the way, I'm on about. Okay. So if I go that one, and then copy and paste. Okay. Right, okay. I know this is a live stream. That's why I've gone quiet, because normally what I'd do is I would edit this. So if you are popping in live and you just hear me just being quiet, it's because I'm busy doing something in the background. This will be edited out when it comes to publishing it on the channel. So let's have a look. Excuse me. So where is it? Oh, there it is. Right, let's see what comes of this one. If I go that and then F5. Arr. There was one I found that was really good. I'm trying to think what it's called now. Yeah, basically it's an extension to download videos from the internet. So trying to figure out which one it's called, but I can't remember. Add. Right, okay, so let's see what I can do with this. That's that one. There it is. Right, let's have F5 that. Okay, and then there it is. Right, okay, let's try this one. Of course it wouldn't be. Right, some extensions need to go. So remove, remove, and then also I'm going to remove that one as well, because that doesn't work. Remove. I'm also going to download this one as well. And it'll be add. Right, let's go back to that one and F5. By the way, F5, if you didn't know, is a way of refreshing a web page. Yeah. So let's have a look at that. Nope. Okay, let's try the other one. Ooh. Something might be happening. Ooh. I don't know what's happening here. Right, I'll leave that be. Let it do what it has to do. It's just not doing anything, I don't think so. Right, okay. Flash. 1 second. Right, well, that's doing something. Let's see what it's doing. Because something has just kicked in and something is downloaded. So let's just find out what it is. Oh, no, we don't want that. No, it's been stupid. No, it's not fair. Oh, well. Doesn't like it. Doesn't like it at all. So, oh well. Right. Nope. And we'll be sorting these out in a minute. Keep on doing until I find one that does. 1 second. Doesn't like it. Let me just F5 it first. No, not that one. What about that one? No. What about that one? That keeps on saying loading. Nope. And that one? Nope. Okay. This is rather annoying, isn't it? Oh well. I will get there. It looks fancy. But doesn't want to do it. I swear there is a video there. Thing is, these extensions, you don't recognise that there's a video. That's the thing. Some of them are quite rubbish, to be honest. But some, I said. 1 second. See if this works. This looks like this might work, this one. Right, okay. Let's have a go at this. Right. So let's just F5 that. Ooh. Right, well that's... Oh no, that's too long, that's why. God, I'm so silly. Right, okay. Hold on a second. I am going to put on a... hold on a sec. It is worked. I don't like the site because it's stupid, but basically it is working downloading the video from this certain extension that I'm using. I'm not saying what extension it is and what I'm doing because, just because. Right, so let me just have a look at... I don't care. There we go. Right, so let me just go to search, I don't know, videos. Right, okay. So basically, I am going to download, and also if we put the videos, needs to be videos, doesn't it? And what? Oh, no, that's too long. That's better. Right. Anyway, that is basically. Hold on 1 second. Let me just stop this. Okay. So I can now go to YLoader. Just bear with me. Okay. Right, whilst that's doing that, I can then just go over some bits and bobs that the interface of stream elements and things like that. That's what I want to show you, really. Hold on a second. Let me just make sure that I'm downloading that properly. Tell you what, let me just go download. Yeah, right, okay. So that will just go work in the background just there, I believe. So let me just pause that down. Right, okay. So what I've effectively doing is I've gone on to a video website, and I'm downloading a background image that I'll show you my example in a bit. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you one thing that to how to set up my stream is go to Stream Elements. Okay, let me just click on here. Hold on a second. Activate. Activated tipping activation. Yeah, I've done that already. Right, okay, 1 second. Email is remind me later. Right, okay. Hold on a second. Let me just quickly do this. It's going to be the bane of my life if I don't do it whilst I'm trying to, speak to you guys, and it'll just be a nightmare. Okay, overlays, continue, and then close that down, and then continue. No, and then SE Live, download. Well, I've already downloaded it. It's fine. Right, yay. Right. Okay, so let me just show you exactly what is in your chat part. Join. Okay, cool. Right, okay, so let me just show you Stream Elements. Let me just go back to the OBS and then pop that over here. And then, here we go. As you can see, here's my OBS, as you can see before. Right, now, what I want to show you is my Stream Elements. Oh, you don't want to see that. Right, okay. Now, in here is all the information that I look at and to set up my stream, okay? I've just clicked on the Stream Elements icon, which basically resets the view. So data and reports, so dashboard. This is what this is. It's a dashboard. You can see how many subscribers, how many members. See, I've got no members, no subscribers on here. But anyway, and then according to this, but I have on the actual channel. Activity feed, and pending tips or whatever. Revenue history, if anyone has sponsorships, for example, you can even get sponsored on here as well, which is really good. There's no sponsorships at the moment, but I'll keep an eye out for that. So let me just have a look at revenue history again. We've got an income report, merchandising history, and payments as well. Okay, and then we move on to streaming tools. Now, what streaming tools are is all the elements that you need in order for you to stream. Okay, now I've got elements, but to be honest, I'm not going to do elements just right now. So I move on to and elements are basically like little things that you can add to your stream to make it funky or to interact with your customers or subscribers. The overlays gallery, if we look at that first. Okay, so you've got lots of different things here. So this is your super themes. Right now, at the moment, I'm using a blue flare super theme. This is what is running on this stream. But you can choose whatever overlay you want, overlay theme. Okay. For example, if we wanted to, in fact, let's create a theme. So Lightbringer animated super theme. And that's the World of Warcraft super theme. And it's animated, which is great. let's create. Okay, and then you've got lots of different scenes. So you've got your well, it's the gameplay scene. You've also got your that looks like a chat one. You're starting now. Be right back. There's lots of different ones. So let's create my overlay. Okay. Now these are your links. What I tend to do is I tend to bring up my notepad, which is really good. And then all I do is this is the in-game scene, yeah? So I just put in-game first and copy. So if you're an avid gamer, what you can do is you can, use these, to interact with your subscribers. This is the talk one, so copy that and then talk. The reason why I'm putting them here is you'll see why in a moment. Then we have our starting scene. So it's start, and let's copy that and paste, enter. And then this is our BRB. So copy, so BRB, be right back. And then we have the end. I believe I haven't actually set up the ending scene on this stream actually. But yeah, I'll do that as well whilst I'm here, which would be quite good. Hold on, that looks like this exactly the same one. We'll see. See what happens. Right, okay, so then what you do is when you click create, it then goes to your overlays, okay? Remember, it's called Lightbringer Animated. So what we need to do is, in each one, I wanted to make sure that it's all correct, all good, and everything else. So the way we do that is we click Edit. Okay, and this will have your bits and bobs that you want on it as well. So so I don't have Twitter, so I'm going to take that off as well as that. Okay, but I do have Instagram. Not Instagram. What do you call it? Twitch, I think. Yeah. Labels, so subscriber tips. And there's lots of different things you can do here as well. Engagement, so alerts. See what it says. Is there anything on here? No, it doesn't show it, does it? Okay, so we can't do Twitch then. But what about, it's going to be blank there, isn't it? So let's take off these actually. But we are going to take off that as well. And that. And we're going to also take off that and that. But what I will do is take off Facebook as well, because I'm not letting you have that. Sorry. But I will leave the YouTube on there, okay? But I will work it out. But yeah, this is how you change your, for example, this could be your, what do we call it? Your chat, for example. So at the moment, this is, what's it showing as? It's not actually saying, is it? Okay, so what you can do is, this is in, this is for a webcam. So what you do is you enter in your webcam, in here. And that's why, because we are in, the thing. And then on this, then we enter our scene, what we're viewing. Now, this is all done through OBS itself, not through Stream Elements. Okay, so yeah, now we've done that. Is there any other bits I need to look at? Let me just bring this up just in case. Nope. That's our alert box. Actually, let's put a chat window in there, yeah? Because we want a chat to appear, don't we? So let's just put that there, and that can then go, let's have a look. layers. So it'll be stream chat and alert box. So make sure the alert box is above, yeah, because then it'll just appear directly on top of it, which is great. Also, let's just move up the settings of this chat box, chat as well. So streams chat, and let's go to position and size. I like it a little bit bigger, so width is going to be 500, 500. Height, I'm going to put at, let's say 600, 700, 800. Yeah, and that'll bring a nice big box we can all view. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to layers. And is the chat box still below? Yeah, brilliant. Right, so there'll be a nice stream of chats there as well. So if we save that, and that will automatically save on the link. We don't need to copy the link again. That will automatically copy on there. Okay, back. Let's have a look. Well, the computer's very tired today, so yeah, it has been working quite hard. Lightbringer animated super theme. So basically, you go in and you edit each one as well. So just bear with me, right? So this is the, what's this? Okay, this is the just a general chat, I think. Yeah, so that's that. That's fine. What have we got here? So let me just bring Twitter. No, so delete that and that and that. Instagram, so the whole thing can. No, Instagram I don't have. I do have, but it's but not for this purposes. Yeah, we can just get rid of. And then what we can do is bring this across to here, in between. Just move that across as well. And if we configuration, session data, settings. So where it says snap to grid, wherever I can find that. Because I did see it at one point. Here it goes. Snapping off. There you go. So basically what it means is it's not restricted. So YouTube is there. Let's move that across as well. Oh, bugger. There. So I can just go over here. Move it in a bit more. There. And that can just go over here as well. I think that's it. Yeah. Yeah, so that is my YouTube. What I can do is I can then put in the text settings, you know, what it is that YouTube is meant to say, basically, or settings rather. So let's say it's going to be North West Tech Geek. Okay, now that is my YouTube. You could just center line it there, roughly. Yep, and that is my YouTube channel. Right, okay. So let's have a look. So let's save that. That looks all good. Yep, saved. It says at the bottom right there. Okay, left. And then basically you've got to change each one, you know, before doing that as well. So this is animated. Okay, we've done that one. We've done, right, what's this one? Animated super theme. This is the starting scene. Edit the starting scene. Right, let's have a look. So this is brilliant. It's lovely. I love this. Starting scene. So let me just get rid of these. Twitter. Oh, bugger. There we go. I thought I'd lost it then. Right. Right, then if we bring this across just to there, that can go just there. Then that can also go, don't want that. Across, oh, it's just a YouTube symbol, thing. Right, that could just go on there, like so, I believe. That can just go on there. Let's have a look. That looks all right, doesn't it? Yeah. Alexa, quiet. Yeah, she's always piping up, isn't she? Has yours done that? Let me know in the comments box. Yeah, this needs moving across to there. And yeah, it looks like we are all good, I believe. Let me just have a look at the bottom. Yeah, we're all good. Save. That's the starting soon one. And then finally, I don't know actually. That's the be right back. We've just done that. That's that one. We've done that one. What's this one? Be right back. And stream ended. Yeah, we've got to do that one as well. And I'll show you how to input them onto your stream as well on OBS. So first of all, let's get rid of these. Actually, I'm going to leave that one where it is actually. Leave that there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a chat box to my Be Right Back, because people can still chat then, can't they? So your stream's chat. In fact, I'm going to leave it at that size as well. So leave it just around there. Layers. Let's make sure that the stream chat is below the alert box. Brilliant. Cool. Save. That's been saved. Come out that. And then last but not least, stream ended. Let's edit that one. And then I'll show you how to put them into your stream. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? I like that. Right, so let's go. Right, excuse the noises in the background. I don't know what that is, to be honest. Someone's. Oh, anyway. I'll go away. Right, so I can go. That there, that there. Brilliant. I'm going to leave the YouTube up there. Stream ended. Is there any other thing I need to... Oh, it's always good to move this out of the way as well, just in case there's anything you don't want down there as well. Right, okay, that's the stream ended, one done. So let's save that. That's great. Now this is how we put them onto the stream. So we effectively we can come off this now. Then if we go to, there's our things there, our links. Then what we do is we go to our browser, and we're going to, it's a Game of Thrones, no, not Game of Thrones, it's World of Warcraft, wow. So I'm going to put a new scene there. Oh, one thing to note before I do is I have got studio mode activated here. So you can see, this window, this is what you're seeing. And I can still work on another scene without it affecting the stream. Does that make sense? So I'm going to create a new scene now. I'm going to call it WoW Scene. Yeah, and then I'm going to call it Start. Yeah, so starting soon one. Okay. Right, so all I'm going to do, now the way we get this is let's go to our notepad, is we're going to do our start scene. Okay, so let's copy this one. Right, and then what we do, it's a browser. Okay, and then you click browser, start, oh no, I'm going to call it browser wow start. Yeah, and then you paste it. Now, it's my particular screen and my settings, so it is individual to everyone. But mine is 18, 19, no 1890, I think. Anyway, I'll soon find out. And then 1080, and let's see. Okay. Then I'll just pop it in like that. There we are. That is how you create the that basically. It's quite cool. I like that. Okay. Then what you can do is if I go one second, so scenes. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete these scenes. I'll tell you for why. Not rename, remove. Is because what we want to do is a scene collection. Yeah. So rename this scene collection as we're in at the moment. I'll just call it the standard scenes. Yeah, standard scenes. Then what we're going to do is hopefully, if I click new, and we'll call it the wow collection. Hello. Yeah, I kind of knew it was going to do that. I shouldn't have done that really. But what you can do is set a new collection, and you can put all these scenes in one, and then and then you can put the wow collection in another. But that's not a problem. What I will do is I'll create them in here, but I will move them across as and when the stream has ended. Wow scene start. Then I will add a browser, and it's going to be wow. Just put wow start. Then it'll be paste that on there, and it's 1920, 1980, and 1080. Okay. Actually, it might be 1918. I've got a funny feeling it's 1918. To change properties, just click the properties icon back again, and you just go 1918. There we go. Yeah, it's 1918. Right. And that is how you create your scenes. Now, let's go on and create our next one, which will be our live chat one. So if we go wow scene chat, so just want to chat to people, and it's going to be a browser, and it's going to be a browser. It's going to be called wow chat. Okay. Then what we're going to do, go back to our notepad, and it's going to be the talk, obviously. One. Copy, and it's double click that and then paste. And remember, it's 1918. These are my settings, not yours, so you don't have to copy them word for word or whatever. Okay, and then push that up. Right, now, this has then got, the scene that we had earlier that I was working on. Now, if you notice, this bit is blank. So what we need to do now is add a video capture device. Now, we've already got a video capture device, so let's add that one. Okay. And then if we just bring it down a bit, and then all I'm going to do is line it up a little bit, and then pull it out to there, and then move it across a few there. And that looks fairly good, I think. Right, yes, that's great. Then we'll lock these in place. By the way, it's good to always lock them in place, and you can always, do that as well. Let me just have a look. So, while scene start, let's lock that. Let's add another scene. So it'll be wow scene BRB. Okay, So this will be our Be Right Back screen. So let's have a look at browser, create new. Oh, it's just called wow, isn't it? Yeah, wow, and then BRB. Right, where's our Be Right Back? There it is. This one here. And it's 1819, isn't it? 1819, and then 1080, control via OBS, okay. And then just go, pop goes weasel. One second. These scenes work really weirdly sometimes. You've got to really work with them. Is it 1918? Yes, it's 1918, not 1819. Okay, cool. That's our Be Right Back scene. Let's lock that in place. And then, finally, we have our end scene. So it'll be wow scene, and it'll be end. Okay. And browser. And it's called wow end. Okay. Right, let's go to our UTL, URLs rather, and is that one, and copy, paste. And it's 1918, 1080, control ODS. Okay. And just pop it in like that. There, brilliant. And lock it in place. So if you look then, we have got, where are we? We've got our starting scene, yeah. We've got our Be Right Back scene. We have our chat screen, and we have our ending screen, yeah. Now, tell you what, let's switch over to the World of Warcraft scene so you can see. Hold on a second. We haven't got an in-game one, have we? So yeah, let's create that first. So it'd be WoW scene. It's not an in-game. I call it demo because I do demonstrations rather than play games, if that makes sense. So let me just put a video capture device. Oh no, I need to actually get the scene first, don't I? So browser, and let's call it WoW demo. And let's get the in-game one, which is just here. Copy. And then I just paste that in there. It's 1918, and then 1080. Yeah, and then go and push that up there. As you can see, it's gone blank. Oh yeah, that's because I need to put a scene on there. So if I put a video, a window capture, or is it a window capture? No, it's a display capture, isn't it? I put in. Yes, display capture. Oh, cancel. As if we cancel that one, because if we notice, then there is already a display capture element. So we just use the same element. Okay. Then, if you notice that none of the artwork, is here, so all we do is bring this down, and it will then display the artwork. Okay. So that's our display capture. And also, we're going to put something. Let me just take that off, because here, if you notice here, we have got our little window where we can put a camera. So we just go that. Then we just put video capture device. We don't need to invent the wheel, so we just use that one. And then you just put it right down like so, and then put it in there. Okay. What was that? That'll do for now. I can alter it later. But that is our thing. So when we come to displaying, it's all there. Brilliant. So let's lock them in. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to fade to the new World of Warcraft demo scene. There we go. So now you can see on the stream that my webcam is now here, where the old one was up here. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do now is that is basically the demo of how to operate your scenes and things like that. Okay, and how to get them into your OBS. Anyway, I know I've waffled on quite a bit. So what I'm going to do is, to finalize the stream, I will put on the WoW end scene. I'll play it for about 5 minutes, with a bit of music, and then I shall end the stream. If there's anything you'd like to view, don't forget to subscribe. Oh, 1 second, let me just do this first of all. Okay, so obviously, as I said, I am going to put on the end scene in just a moment. But if you don't forget to subscribe. If there's anything that you wanted to, if there's anything that you wanted to have in the demos or anything like that, please let me know in the comments. Alternatively, contact me at northwesttechgeek.uk. And I should be able to answer anything that you have then as well. Well, that's all from me. I hope you have enjoyed the stream. There is one thing I wanted to show you, but I'll do that next week, and that is with regards to creating your own scene, and the different elements of OBS, because I didn't want to go into it too much. But yeah, I'll do that next week. But for now, that's me signing off, and I hope you have a great week. Goodbye.